Welcome to Science Education. Today we study about the periodic classification of elements, SSC board examination. Today we study about the modern periodic table. There are different anomalies in the Mendeleev's periodic table because Mendeleev's periodic table totally depends upon the atomic masses of the elements. So there are some demerits. To overcome these demerits, to remove these demerits, Moseley put forth his theory known as modern periodic theory, and this theory is explained in the form of table. So this is known as modern periodic table. Moseley explain this theory upon atomic number. We studied about atomic number in previous lecture. In this modern periodic table, elements are arranged in the increasing order of the atomic number. So, the anomalies are removed which are present in the Mendeleev's periodic table. There is also a periodicity in the modern periodic table. That is, when elements are arranged in a increasing order of their atomic number, there is some repetition of the physical and chemical characteristics of certain intervals. So, this is also known as periodicity, and these elements are arranged in a table. So, this form is known as modern periodic table. Atomic number is the fundamental characteristics of element. This was put forth by Moseley. That is, atomic number gives physical and chemical characteristics to the element. That is, there is a statement of law of modern periodic table. That is, properties of elements are the fundamental characteristics of the atomic number. When elements are arranged in a modern periodic table on the basis of the increasing order of atomic number, there is no demerits. All are merits, all elements are easily arranged in this periodic table, and today we study the classification of elements with the help of modern periodic table or long form periodic table. This is also known as long form periodic table. The properties of elements are the fundamental characteristics of the atomic number. This is the modern periodic law. And on this periodic law, there is tubular arrangement of the known elements. This is known as modern periodic table. In this modern periodic table, there is also horizontal rows and vertical columns. This modern periodic table, that is structure of modern periodic table, include 7 horizontal rows known as periods, which are numbered from 1 to 7. There are 18 vertical columns. These are known as groups, and these are numbered from 1 to 8. That is, in a modern periodic table, 7 periods and 18 groups are present. This periodic table is classified into block system known as S block, P block, D block and F block. There are some characteristics of periods and groups. We study about the characteristics of periods. In modern periodic table, there are 7 horizontal rows known as periods, and these are numbered from 1 to 7. In this periodic table, the first period contains only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. Second and third period contain 8 elements. Fourth and fifth period contain 18 elements. Sixth and seventh period contain 32 elements. That is, mostly indicate the electronic configuration and atomic number is related to each other. That is, this theory, this table depends upon the electronic configuration. So, there is all are the merits of this periodic table. And first period, which contain only 2 elements, second and third each contain 8 elements, fourth and fifth contain 18 elements, 6 and 7 contain 32 elements. That is, according to the formula 2n square, we study first shape, that is K shape, is contain maximum 2 electrons, L shell contain maximum 8 electrons, M shell contain maximum 18 electrons. On this rule, there are first, second, third up to 7 periods contain number of elements as like 2, 8, 18 and 32. The 6th period and 7th period is attached to the bottom lines. That is, at the bottom of the periodic table, there is 2 lines. One is lanthanide and another is actinide. Lanthanide group is attached to the 6th period, that is elements having atomic number 57 to 71. These are attached to the 6th period. That is, the elements which are in lanthanide shows close resemblance with the elements which are present in the 6th period. 7th period is also include actinide group, that is 89 atomic number to 103 atomic number. That is, there is also close resemblance between the 7th period elements and the actinide elements. And this lanthanide and actinide series which are present at the bottom are known as F block elements. There are some characteristics like first period contain 2 elements, second contain 8 elements. Elements present in each period. That is, period number 2 contain lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Elements present in each period have same number of shells. That is, first period, which contain hydrogen and helium, having 1 shell according to the electronic configuration. Hydrogen contain 1 electron. That is, 1 electron included in 1 shell. Helium, atomic number of helium is 2 and it contains 2 electrons in its outermost shell. Number of period is equal to the number of shells of that element. That is, elements present in period having same number of shells. In case, that is, number of shells are equal to the period number. In case of third period, start from sodium and ends up to argon. According to increasing order of atomic number of sodium is 11. That is, there are 3 shells because sodium is present in the third period. So, electronic configuration of sodium is 281. We study about the characteristic that elements present in period having same number of shells. That is, number of shells is equal to the period number. First period, present element have 1 shell. Second period, number of period number is second and it contains 2 shells in each element. There are in a third period, elements of third period contain 3 shells. Another characteristic of the periods is in each period new shell starts filling up. That is, in case of first period, first element is hydrogen having atomic number 1. Second element is helium having atomic number 2. According to the electronic configuration and 2n square, first shell is completed up to helium and new shell start from the second period. That is, in each period new shells starts filling up. That is, in case of lithium, the atomic number of lithium is 3. First shell is completed in helium. That is, first shell of lithium contain 2 electrons and second shell contain 1 electron. In case of beryllium, atomic number of beryllium is 4. That is, electronic configuration of beryllium is first shell contain 2 electrons and second shell contains also 2 electrons. That is, lithium starts filling electrons in outermost shell. First electron is added in the first shell, second shell, because this is period number is second. And in case of beryllium, first shell complete 2 electrons and second shell completed by 2 electrons. In case of third period, first period completed first shell by 2 electrons. Second period starts from lithium and it completed by element neon, and electron starts filling from lithium. That is, outermost shell contain 1 electron. Beryllium outermost shell complete 2 electrons. Boron outermost shell complete 3 electrons, and neon, in which outermost shell completed by 8 electrons. Then, in case of third period starts by completing or filling electrons in third shell. That is, sodium atomic number is 11 and the third orbit start to filling electrons. That is 2, 8 and 1. Sodium start complete outermost shell from 1 electron and it completed by argon 288. That is, in a period, element start filling up from a new shell. These are the characteristics of the periods. Write down the notes. there are some demerits of modern periodic table. To overcome this problem, Henry Moseley put forth his classification depends upon atomic number according to he. Atomic number is a more fundamental property of element than its atomic mass. New point. Give the statement of modern periodic law Answer. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. Next point. Moseley arranged elements in an increasing order of their atomic numbers. Next point. The modern periodic table is also called the long form periodic table. Most of the drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table appeared to be removed by this theory. But the ambiguity about ambiguity ambiguity about the position of hydrogen is not removed even in the modern periodic table. Next point, structure of modern periodic table. Structure of modern periodic table. First point, the modern periodic table contains seven horizontal rows, ROWs, called periods, numbered as 1 to 7. Next point, there are 18 vertical columns. Known as groups, numbered as 1 to 18. Next point, at the bottom of the table, lanthanide and actinide series, Next point, the entire periodic table is divided into 4 blocks. S block, P block, D block and F block. Next, characteristics of periods. First point, first period contain 2 elements. Second and third period contain 8 elements in each. Fourth and fifth contain 18 elements in each. Sixth and seventh period contain 32 elements in each. Next point, sixth period include Lathenide series, and actinide series included in seventh period. Because these elements of Lathenide and actinide show close resemblance with sixth and seventh period. Then next point, elements present in the same period have same number of shells. Have same number of shells, which is equal to the period number. Next characteristic, in each period a new shell starts filling up. New shell starts filling up. ओके, आता यावरती विचारलं काय जातं, एक 2 मार्कासाठी पिरियडचे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक विचारले जातात. 1 मार्कासाठी मॉडर्न पिरियॉडिक लॉ विचारला जाऊ शकतो. आता उद्याच्या तासाला मी ग्रुपचे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक देणार आहे. तुम्हाला माझं चॅनल आवडलं असेल तर लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा, आणि काही अडचण असेल तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता.